My name is Erick. I'm from East Texas, small town named Cleveland. I'm doing overhead open root.
What's been the biggest struggle with overhead open root?
That root.
Why did you decide to come to Western Welding Academy? What made you?
I went to another school in Texas, not gonna name them. They were all right, but I want to go into the pipeline, and this school is more pipeline based versus the one in Houston was refinery based.
Your biggest goal for here at Western Welding Academy?
Is to learn and go into the pipeline or wherever there's a job.
What are you working on this week?
Open root, overhead, and then hopefully tomorrow test out of welder 1.
So what have you been doing to prepare for that test?
A lot of overhead. That's my kind of, what's it called? The one thing I can't get the hang of.
Eric, how's the overhead coming? Oh yeah.
Just don't pay attention to that.
Getting any better on that route?
Yeah, way better. C minus.
C minus. All right.
I'm waiting for Danny to come check this out so I can get my test.
Oh, reality TV, buddy, reality TV.
Danny, the students need you.
Huh?
The students need you.
They don't need me. They just got to believe in themselves, old son.
How confident are you about that test right now?
85%.
85%? What's it going to take to be 100?
Get that root down, and then the cap. Just hit some stuff on the cap. Should be good.
So how many more do you think till you're comfortable with taking a test?
Probably this one. Probably this will be the last one. Because I almost time to go home anyways.
It's a big day. How you feeling?
Iffy.
Iffy? Why are you feeling iffy?
Because this group came out. Photoshop that up.
How's he go? Did you pass?
He still hasn't looked at it. I was waiting for you.
Oh, you've been waiting?
Yeah, I'm doing overhead right now. So just haven't been to. Yeah, I'm waiting for him to check the root right now.
Wow.
Right there. I might have to repair that, but
How you feeling about it?
feeling good. The only one I was worried about was vertical.
I guess let's see what Danny said.
Yeah.
So how do you think Erick's gonna do?
I don't know. I'm gonna freaking whip out my inspection mirror and freaking hammer down. He told me it's a Gorilla Weld. He said Gorilla Welds are ugly but strong. Is a Gorilla Weld. He passed his vertical. I'm really happy about that root. Pretty nice looking root.
Hell yeah.
You did a good job.
Hell yeah. Erick?
Good job, Erick. You're the daughter I never had. I was just kidding, dude.
Amigo!
Oh!
You passed your test. How you feeling about it?
I feel great. Finally onto pipe, uphill. Yeah.
Nice. What was the biggest thing you had to overcome while doing plate?
Overhead root. That was my downfall right there. It sucked.
If you had any tips for anyone that's just getting the Western Welding Academy and on to plate, what's a tip you'd give them on that route?
Take your time. Don't rush. And pay attention to your keyhole and your puddle. So how was it with you being you following me around for 2 days? It was kind of nerve-wracking, you being with your camera behind me the whole time. But when you go into the job, you'll have an inspector on you the whole time, so you gotta get used to it. If you haven't followed them on their socials, they'll be linked down below. And catch you guys on the next one.